Welcome to Lazy Ways. Today we're going to talk about Learning Chinese Beginner's Guide, and the topic is counting numbers. Some people start with pronunciation, some people start with syllables, but for me personally, I think learning a new language, the most important thing is the numbers, because you'll need to know the numbers when you're traveling to a Mandarin-speaking country. They come in handy when you're asking for the time, querying about the price of a merchandise, or getting tickets when you're trying to get from location A to B. Now here's a fun way to remember them, associating them with images. Research shows that your memory improves when you're associating words with images. So let's begin. The first one is yi, which means one. Let's repeat that. Yi means one. Now have a think. What does that look like that I can associate with? Here is the image of the character 1, yi. Doesn't it look a bit like a eel? Like a long eel lying there. So imagine that is a shape of an eel. And you can think of like an eel lying on the seabed flat. So 1 is yi. Remember, 1 is yi. Now let's go to the second character. Number 2, Let's say that again. 2 is Repeat again. 2 is Now think of it as like a pair of years. You always need to have years. 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 In fact, to tell you a little interesting fact, the Chinese word for 耳朵, which means years. Don't they sound similar? 耳朵, years. So let's review that again. Number 2. Okay. The third one is 山, which means 3. This is a very interesting one. If you look at this image here, is the number 3, which basically looks like 1 is 1 dash, 2 is 2 dash, and 3 is 3 dashes. So 3 dashes is 3. Another way you can associate this is if you look at this image here. This one here is of a mountain and the peak. So on the third, the highest peak, it looks a bit like the Chinese character mountain, but it also sounds like the word 3. In Chinese, 山 means 3, but it also means mountain. 我去爬山. I went to climb up a mountain. So you can remember 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now let's go to the fourth one. 是 meaning 4. If you think about this character here, what does it look like? It looks like a square, doesn't it? 是 like a square with 4 angles. 4 4-angle square 是. So that is Chinese character for 4. Now, the fifth one, 五. Look at this. 五. Yes, the characters doesn't give much clue, but if you think about 五 as in, how can I associate it with our fingers, right? Our fingers, how many do we have in our hand? 5. Technically, some people say 4 fingers and a thumb. But for the purpose of learning, we're going to say there's 5 fingers. And you look at them and go, ooh, I have 5 fingers. Ooh, which means 5. So there you have it. That's 1, 2, 5. Let's have a quick practice. Yi means 1. Means 2. San means 3. 是 means 4. 五 means 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Remember to keep them practicing. Eel, ears, mountain, square, and ooh, which is 5. Good luck. Thanks. And if you like the video, click like and subscribe to get number 6 to 10. See you next time. Thank you. Lazy Ways.